in my own understanding, endogenic processes is the building and elevating the earth from
Great, thank you. Anyone else? Sandra. Sandra? Sandra?
Can I?
Also there.
So while the exogenic process is the wear down and the reshaping the Earth's surface.
Sandra, next time I want you to listen, okay? Keep your head in the game.
Do you want help for the quiz tomorrow?
Yes, please.
Okay, that's great. Start now. So firstly, let's talk about endogenic processes. So what are endogenic processes? So these are the forces that originate from within the Earth. Remember, think of them as a planet's internal engine driven by heat and pressure. So the movement of tectonic plates is a key player here. The colossal slabs of the Earth's crust are constantly shifting, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. And these are both powerful expressions of endogenic activity. When magma from the mantle pushes the way to the surface, it results in a volcanic activity. It sometimes rises explosively too. This only shapes the land, but also contributes to the creation of new landforms like islands and mountains.
No wonder that's how they are formed. But what about earthquakes? How do they happen?
Well, that's just too easy. Think of it when there's too much built up in the fault line, and then when it's released suddenly, there's going to be an earthquake. Just think of it.
I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Can you give me more examples, please?
Sure, why not? Endogenic processes also form various geological features, such as mountain building or erosion. They occur when tectonic plates collide and pushing the crust upward. Over millions of years, the greatest majestic mountain ranges like the Himalayas.
Now, let's tackle the main endogenic processes. We have what we call folding and faulting, or in other terms, tectonic movements. They take place mainly along the plate boundaries, which are the zones that are not stable. Let's start with the first type, which is folding. This is the process in which folds are formed due to compressional forces wherein two forces push towards each other from the opposite sides. The rock layers will bend into folds. Next type that we have is faulting. It is the fracturing and displacement of more brittle rock strata along a fault plane, either caused by tension or compression. A break in a rock along with a vertical or horizontal rock movement has occurred is called a fault, while the line of fault which appears on the land surface is known as a fault line. These lines are often lines of weakness which allow molten rock to rise up into the Earth's surface when there is active volcanic activity nearby. But wait, there's more! We have our types of faulting too. They are caused by different endogenic forces, which are normal fault, is also known as convergence, reverse fault, or also known as divergence. Lastly, we have tear fault, or known as to transform. Other endogenic processes that are subsequent to the main ones are volcanism. From the name itself, it involves volcanic activity. Metamorphism, and we have earthquakes or seismic activity.
Wow, that's so mind-blowing. I can't believe that's how endogenic processes work.
Pretty simple, right? Let's move on to the next topic, shall we? Now let's shift our focus to exogenic processes. These are external forces that shape the Earth's surface. The primary agents here are weathering, erosion, and deposition.
Wait, you're starting to talk gibberish once more. Can you please explain in simple terms?
Alright. So let's take it easy and make sure to understand it, okay? So weathering breaks down rocks through various means, such as physical, chemical, and biological processes. Erosion then transports these sediments, reshaping landscapes over time.
Does that mean weathering breaks down rocks and prepares them for erosion?
Yes, see, now you're starting to understand it better. So, and fun fact is that wind, rain, and temperature changes play a crucial role in the process, constantly shaping the surface of our planet. For example, rivers erode land as they flow, carving out valleys and creating stunning formations like canyons. When these rivers reach calmer waters, they deposit the sediments, forming deltas at their mouths. In the most simplest terms, while endogenic and exogenic processes are distinct, they are interconnected. Endogenic processes can create landforms that are sculpted by exogenic forces. Take a mountain, for instance. It might rise due to tectonic activity, but over time, wind and water will wear it down, reshaping its profile and redistributing its materials. To sum it all, endogenic processes build and elevate the earth from within, while exogenic processes wear down and reshape the surface. Together, they create a diverse landscape we see today.
Thank you for helping me understand this. I can surely ace the test tomorrow because of you. Till next time.
Okay, bye-bye. Understanding the processes helps us drastically appreciate the intricate and ever-changing nature of our planet. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our very own Earth.